Well, good morning, everybody. It's January 26th. It's actually happy birthday to my son. 1 year old today. It's an exciting time. Kind of was up at 12:06 a.m. when he was born. Not with him, but may have woke Melanie up to say it was officially his 1 year. So it's an exciting time. Anyways, today we're actually getting the two wagons out. I need to rearrange the barn a little bit, so we're gonna start this up. It has it's not too bad. It's about 4 degrees out, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it will go well.
Alexa, play 107 MUS.
So I will say, I had it plugged in, but the power strip that it was on last night malfunctioned actually. So that was a cold start without it plugged in for overnight, which is just pretty impressive considering it's 4 degrees out. But didn't get it washed last winter after chiseling, just because the last night of chiseling it got really cold, and so that was it for the year. But yep, get this backed out and get some stuff rearranged. Get the stone wheels out of the trailer and get the truck pulled out. Had that on the battery tender, and yeah, and then midday we'll get to celebrate our 1 year old birthday. Can't believe Hudson's already 1 year old, so time sure flies. Looking forward to next year with the buddy seat, him being able to ride some more, and then in the future years. So happy January 26th.